Air fryer dinner recipes. 1. Air fryer chicken tenders. Ingredients: 1 pound chicken tenders, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, a half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, 2 eggs beaten, cooking spray. Instructions: 1. Preheat your air fryer to 375 F. 2. In a small bowl, mix together breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. 3. Dip each chicken tender in the beaten eggs, then coat with the breadcrumb mixture. 4. Place the chicken tenders in a single layer in the air fryer basket, leaving space between each one. 5. Lightly spray the chicken tenders with cooking spray. 6. Cook for 10–12 minutes, flipping halfway through until they are golden brown and cooked through. 7. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce. 2. Air fryer salmon with roasted vegetables. Ingredients for salmon fillets: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, a half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, 1 cup chopped bell peppers, 1 cup chopped zucchini, 1 cup chopped red onion, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, cooking spray. Lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: 1. Preheat your air fryer to 400 F. 2. In a small bowl, mix together olive oil, garlic powder, thyme, salt, and pepper. 3. Brush the mixture over the salmon fillets. 4. In a separate bowl, mix together the cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, zucchini, red onion, balsamic vinegar, and honey. 5. Lightly coat the vegetables with cooking spray. 6. Place the salmon fillets and vegetables in a single layer in the air fryer basket. 7. Cook for 8–10 minutes, flipping the salmon halfway through until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. 8. Serve with lemon wedges. 3. Air fryer beef and broccoli. Ingredients: 1 pound beef sirloin, sliced into thin strips, a quarter cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 head of broccoli chopped, 1 bell pepper sliced, a half cup sliced carrots, a quarter cup sliced green onions, cooking spray. Rice for serving. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce, honey, garlic, ginger, sesame oil, and cornstarch. 2. In a separate bowl, marinate the beef strips in half of the sauce mixture for 30 minutes. 3. Preheat your air fryer to 400 F. 4. In a large bowl, mix together the marinated beef, broccoli, bell pepper, carrots, and green onions. 5. Lightly coat the mixture with cooking spray. 6. Place the beef and vegetable mixture in a single layer in the air fryer basket. 7. Cook for 15–20 minutes, stirring halfway through until the beef is cooked and the vegetables are tender. 8. Pour the remaining sauce over the beef and vegetables and cook for an additional 2–3 minutes. 9. Serve over rice. 4. Air fryer stuffed peppers. Ingredients for bell peppers, halved and seeded: 1 pound ground beef, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup cooked rice,